Uh-oh, hiccups. You got the hiccups? Are you talking? Look at those legs wiggling. You getting your exercise in? Your jazzercise? Hi, sweet boy. It's nothing to worry about, Blue Eyes. Nothing to worry about. Oh, someone's hungry. Okay, say goodbye.